Hi Steve, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And when we first take a look at your website, it looks good. Whoever created it did a good job placing some call to actions in here, so that helps convert your leads into customers. And if we take a look through your website here, looks like there needs to be a little bit more content. We need a little bit more words on here. And the reason we want more content is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. And so they're going through the websites, looking through all these words, and then inside those words, they're looking for what's called keywords. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 keywords, but it does depend also on how many words your competition has. And then you want keywords embedded inside of these words here. And so an example of a good keyword for you in this area would be Foundation Repair OKC. And so the first thing that pops up whenever we search this would be some ads here. More ads down here. So we're going to scroll down to this, which is called the Google Map Pack. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you really want to be in the top 3 because most people don't click on more businesses here. And so to outrank these businesses here, you want to make sure that you have your name, your phone number, your address listed in other websites like Yelp. That's called a citation. You want to make sure that you have 5-star reviews, and you want to make sure that you have some photos. So if we scroll down, this is considered the organic listing, and so the other percentage of business will go here. We're going to skip this top 10 Angie list just because it's not a business, so a lot of people will skip that. So if we scroll down here, the number 1 organic for Foundation Repair OKC is Powerlift Foundation Repair, and so you want to be in the top 3 here as well. The higher up, the better, because a lot of the business is going to go up here. And if we scroll down, you're not on this first page. So most people don't go past this first page, and they usually just stay up towards the top. So let's go take a look at Powerlift Foundation. So if we go to their website here, they have some call to actions as well. They are missing content. So let's see why they're ranking so high. If we plug in their website here into Ahrefs, the UR and the DR, those are ratings by Google, and they're just rating what they consider power and trustworthiness of a website. So the Powerlift Foundation Repair, 33 and 26, and what makes up these numbers here are backlinks and referring domains. And so what a backlink is that's pretty much just a shout out. It's another website linking to your website. So let's take a look at yours. You have an 8 UR and a 0 DR. So we really want to get these numbers up. So you have 52 backlinks coming from 12 domains. And so what we can do is we can actually go in and look at what Powerlift Foundation Repair has as backlinks and coming from what domains, and we can just get the same ones for you as well. And so that way, if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. And so we are going to be able to boost your power and your trustworthiness, and so that we can get these numbers up higher. And let's see what kind of traffic they're getting. So, Powerlift Foundation Repair. Foundation Repair OKC, 450 searches a month. Foundation Repair Oklahoma City, at least 450 people a month. Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350. Oklahoma City Foundation Repair, 450. So these are each month, at least this many people are searching for it. And the list goes on, and they're also not ranking for all of the keywords as well. So if we could get you ranking up higher and in both of those 2 spots, you would get a lot of leads. And the more people that can see your website, the more that you're going to have converted into customers. So if you want to take those tips and start implementing them today, or if you'd like to reach out, I'd be more than happy to help you with it. Thank you.